Cooking for mental wellness. How the kitchen can heal your mind. We often hear about the benefits of cooking at home. It saves money, improves nutrition, and builds life skills. But there's another side to this everyday activity that often goes unnoticed. Cooking can improve your mental health. That's right. Beyond the pots, pans, and piles of dishes, cooking offers powerful psychological benefits. Whether you're a passionate foodie or someone who dreads grocery shopping, you might be surprised to learn that preparing your own meals is clinically linked to better emotional well-being. Food that feeds the mind. Let's start with what's on your plate. What you eat directly impacts your brain. Diets high in processed foods have been linked to higher rates of depression and anxiety. On the flip side, eating whole, nutrient-rich foods, like those found in the Mediterranean diet, can improve memory, mood, and brain function. Think colourful vegetables, olive oil, whole grains, nuts, and fatty fish. If access to fresh foods is a challenge, look into community-supported agriculture, CSA programs near you. Many offer affordable produce boxes and support options for those in financial need. Healthy eating doesn't have to break the bank. Cooking builds routine and balance. Routine is essential for mental stability. In fact, there's a type of therapy, interpersonal and social rhythm therapy, IPSRT, that helps people manage their mental health by creating daily routines. Cooking meals at set times can help regulate your circadian rhythm, which controls stress hormones like cortisol and sleep hormones like melatonin. So yes, planning dinner isn't just good for your stomach, it's good for your emotional rhythm too. Boosting confidence, one recipe at a time. When your mental health takes a hit, your self-esteem can suffer. Cooking is a great way to rebuild that confidence. Even something simple like making your own pasta or baking a loaf of bread gives a sense of accomplishment. That feeling of "I made this" is powerful, especially when you share it with others. Kitchen creativity can lift your mood. Creativity plays a huge role in our mental health, and cooking is a wonderfully creative outlet. Choosing ingredients, experimenting with flavors, and even plating your food gives you a chance to express yourself. Studies show that creative tasks like cooking are directly linked to improved mood and emotional well-being. The power of social connection through food. Food brings people together. Whether you're cooking with a partner, kids, or friends, the kitchen becomes a space for connection. A 2017 study even recommended cooking as a therapeutic tool for social bonding and rehabilitation. Not sure where to start? Try a new recipe with a friend, or follow along with a YouTube chef. Cooking isn't just about survival. It's a form of self-care. It combines nourishment, creativity, routine, and connection in one daily ritual. So even if you're not a natural-born chef, try stepping into the kitchen. You might just find that cooking is one of the best ways to care for your mental wellness, one meal at a time.